My name is Charles Wong, a co-founder and managing partner of TNB Aura. TNB Aura is a Southeast Asian venture capital firm applying a proprietary thesis-led, high-conviction approach to investing into category winners across the region. We focus our attention on founders and their companies at the Series A and B stages and seek to back our investee companies across multiple rounds as they scale. The TNBR name stands for the next billion users specifically, which is an aspirational nod to where we think the Southeast Asian ecosystem will grow to over the next 10 years. Against this backdrop, we believe that rather than an emphasis on market disruption, which has been the calling card of VCs across the world, our view is that for selected industries, sectors, and specific business models in Southeast Asia, market creation is the name of the game. As a thesis-led investor, the vast majority of all of our investments start their journey as a sector sprint, whereupon we focus on evaluating large, total addressable market industries in linchpin sectors where value is accreted. In the case of Zipmex, we believe the Southeast Asian opportunity for a digital assets bank or platform is perhaps one of the largest and most timely that exists today. Specifically, we see tailwinds that, if harnessed, should allow Zipmex to be a clear category winner in this space, including 1. A huge consumer market adoption and potential, with, for example, 3 of Southeast Asian markets already today in the top 6 globally in terms of cryptocurrency ownership, and with rapid growth predominantly coming from small wallets vis-a-vis large ones. Meanwhile, mainstream institutional adoption continues to accelerate, bringing with it clearer use cases around payments, lending, and custodial services. And finally, third, specifically to Southeast Asia, a high percentage of consumer financial assets remain held in low-yielding, inflation-adjusted bank deposits, with digital assets increasingly presenting a viable alternative to these. With global precedents of Coinbase and Binance as examples, we identified and evaluated over 50 players in the region, with Zipmex emerging as the clear leader. Our investment thesis behind selecting Zipmex centered on 3 key factors. First, a Tier 1 leadership team helmed by serial entrepreneur Marcus Lim and an outstanding C-suite bench of experienced executives. Secondly, clear emphasis on regulatory compliance with geographic diversification, with Zipmex being the only exchange operating and legally compliant in Singapore, Thailand, Indonesia, and Australia. And third, a bold product and platform strategy to continue to push the envelope in terms of new ways in which digital assets can change lives of both consumers and institutions in the region. In combination, we believe Zipmex is uniquely positioned to be a category winner in the digital asset sphere, and in doing so, change lives of the next billion. For each investment TNB Aura makes, we seek to construct and be part of the perfect round, which gives each investee company their very best chance at dominating their respective market. In the case of Zipmex, we are privileged to be co-leading this round with 2 of the most prominent listed media firms from Thailand, where Zipmex is already a clear market leader. The first, Plan B, is one of the largest and most innovative media companies in Thailand, which specializes in out-of-home media and engagement marketing. The second, Mako, is one of the media leaders for billboards and street furniture with an extensive media footprint across the whole of Southeast Asia. In combination, Plan B and Mako have one of the most comprehensive coverages of over 2,000 venues in Thailand alone. The investments from both media firms represent confidence and trust in digital assets and the growth and impact that digital assets will have on society. This investment from our consortium will allow Zipmex to further establish itself as a trusted and household brand in Thailand, as well as utilize this market leadership position to continue to scale rapidly across the region.